Hello friends, I am Nitin Cheke, the student of Brisang Institute Pune, and my today's video topic is what is pharmacovigilance, the meaning of pharmacovigilance, and WHO definition of pharmacovigilance. So, what is pharmacovigilance? The pharmacovigilance is nothing but it is a post-marketing surveillance. The many drugs shows the adverse drug reactions or side effect even after launching into the market. So these type of the drugs are under continuous surveillance and continuous monitoring during the post-marketing surveillance. The main aim of a pharmacovigilance is to safeguard the life of the peoples by detecting and preventing the adverse drugs reactions and to promote the patient care and public health by reporting the adverse drugs reaction and to promote the safe and rational use of a medicine. So first of all, we will discuss about what is the meaning of a pharmacovigilance. The word pharmacovigilance is derived from two different words. The pharmakon is a Greek word and it means drug or medicine, and vigilance is a Latin word, it means to keep watch. So the pharmacovigilance means to keep continuous watch on a drug. Now we will discuss about a WHO definition of a pharmacovigilance. The World Health Organization gives the standard definition of pharmacovigilance in 2002. According to the WHO, the pharmacovigilance is the science and activities related to the detection, assessment, and understand and prevention of the adverse drugs reaction and any other problems related to the drug. So now we will discuss the WHO definition of pharmacovigilance in detail. There are mainly four terms involved in WHO definition: the detection, assessment, understanding, and prevention. The first one is the detection. It means to check. The adverse drug reactions can be detected during the clinical trials by investigator, and it can be detected during the post-marketing surveillance by healthcare professionals like doctor, pharmacist, nurse, and physiotherapist. The ADR also can be detected by the patient during the post-marketing surveillance. The next is a assessment. Assessment means to check. If the ADR is detected, then the healthcare professional and investigator try to find out that whether this ADR is occurs because of the drug or because of the some other reason. Then the next step is a understanding. If it is confirmed that the ADR is occurs because of a drug, then the person in the pharmacovigilance understand that and study that which part of the drug is responsible for the adverse drugs reaction. It may be any solvent, ingredients, adhesive, binder. The ADR may also occurs because of the drug-drug interaction, drug-food interaction, and drug-food-drug interaction. The next is a prevention. Prevention means to take a precautionary measure. The pharmaceutical companies should proactively report about the adverse drugs reaction to the regulatory authorities so that this type of the adverse drug reaction should not occur in future in any other patient. So in this video we have learned about the meaning of a pharmacovigilance, the aim and objectives of the pharmacovigilance, and the WHO definition of a pharmacovigilance in detail. Thank you.